Introduction. This pillar focuses on ensuring that the maintenance and reliability M&R organization is optimally structured, staffed, and led to meet its strategic objectives. It emphasizes strong leadership, workforce development, and team engagement to drive sustainable success in reliability practices and performance improvement. Determine organizational requirements. To build a capable M&R organization, begin by aligning the organizational structure and roles with the overarching strategic M&R plan. Key steps include defining clear M&R goals and developing a supporting asset management strategy, establishing essential roles such as maintenance planners, reliability engineers, and MRO staff for smooth execution. Using a RACI matrix, responsible, accountable, consulted, informed, to clearly define and communicate roles and responsibilities across functions. Creating mission and vision statements for direction and alignment. Maintaining a centralized MRO information portal to ensure transparency and accessibility of information, promoting organizational alignment. Analyzing organizational capability. Assess the current capacity of your M&R team to meet goals by comparing existing skill levels to required competencies. This involves conducting performance and knowledge assessments to evaluate individual and team capabilities, using competency models, training matrices, and gap analysis to identify training needs and recruitment requirements, benchmarking organizational capability against industry best practices to identify improvement opportunities, integrating and managing tangible resources, facilities budgets, intangible resources, company culture, technology use, and human resources, skills, experience, motivation for optimized performance and strategic alignment. Develop the organization structure. To ensure a maintenance and reliability M&R organization functions efficiently and strategically, it's essential to build a well-defined organizational structure that supports clear responsibilities, effective communication, and operational agility. Key concepts. Define clear roles and communication channels. Establish distinct job roles, responsibilities, and reporting lines. Clarify communication pathways to minimize confusion and enhance coordination across departments. Determine span of control. Ensure each manager or supervisor oversees a manageable number of direct reports. A balanced span of control improves supervision quality, decision-making, and team performance. Choose the right structure type. Select from centralized structures for tighter control and consistency, decentralized structures for autonomy and responsiveness at site levels, hybrid models that combine central oversight with localized decision-making. The choice depends on the organization's maturity level, business strategy, and geographic or process complexity. Enable cross-functional collaboration. Foster teamwork across departments such as operations, maintenance, engineering, and procurement. Collaboration minimizes silos and ensures aligned efforts towards shared business goals. Plan for the future. Succession and knowledge retention. Address the challenges of an aging workforce by implementing succession planning for key roles, encouraging mentoring and knowledge transfer, documenting tribal knowledge to retain critical operational insights. Strategic alignment. Structure the organization to support its strategic direction, capability levels, and process complexity. The structure should be flexible enough to adapt to changes while maintaining focus on long-term objectives. Develop personnel. Building a high-performing maintenance and reliability M&R workforce requires deliberate efforts in both training and development. This means not just transferring knowledge, but fostering growth, engagement, and alignment with strategic goals. Key concepts. Training versus development. Training is focused on specific knowledge and skills transfer to perform job duties. Development is about long-term personal and professional growth, preparing employees for future roles. Implement continuous job-specific training. Training must be relevant to actual job functions and continually updated to reflect new tools, technologies, and practices. Combine classroom learning with hands-on application for better retention and performance. Assess and individualize development needs. Regularly assess employee skills, experience, and performance context to tailor training plans. Use performance evaluations, skills assessments, and manager feedback to identify development gaps. Foster team engagement and career growth. Keep employees motivated through structured development programs, opportunities for cross-functional collaboration, clear, attainable career paths. Hire for long-term success. Focus on candidates who show technical capability, willingness to learn, alignment with company values and team culture. Measure development success. Use training assessments, employee performance reviews, and alignment with plant performance metrics to evaluate effectiveness. Lead and manage people. Effective leadership ensures that technical strategies are executed successfully by engaged, aligned, and high-performing teams. Key concepts: align and inspire teams. Leaders must ensure everyone understands the organization's mission and how their role contributes. Inspiring leadership fosters ownership and motivation. Maintain clear communication. Use consistent two-way communication methods such as toolbox talks, digital communication platforms, RACI, responsible, accountable, support, consulted, informed models. Use tools for effective management. Equip leaders with KPIs for measuring performance, job descriptions for role clarity, CMMS and IoT for operational visibility, ISO 55000 for asset management framework. Build a culture of accountability and recognition. Empower employees to take ownership of their work. Recognize achievements and encourage a learning environment where mistakes are used for growth. Apply continuous improvement methodologies. Use PDCA, Plan, Do, Check, Act for ongoing refinement, DMA, Measure, Analyze, Improve, Control for structured problem solving and process improvement. Standardize workflows and documentation. Define clear workflows, communication strategies, and documentation practices to ensure consistency, reliability, and knowledge retention across the organization.